Hello, I'm going to show you a backtest of a Forex robot that is currently making profit. So unlike other backtesting where they only show you when the Forex robot is making profit, so this backtest I will be backtesting over the period of 3 years, so you can see that over the period of 3 years the Forex robot is actually making profit because Forex is an unpredictable market. So I'm going to be showing you the MT5 platform. So the name of the robot is actually Speed Forex Robot. Alright, so for the settings of the robot, we actually going to select the Speed Forex Robot. Then we'll select the currency pair, and that is the USD Chinese franc. So we'll select the time frame, that's 1 hour time frame. We'll select the period is we backtested from the period 2019 to current date. So we are going to be backtesting with $5,000, and the leverage is will remain the same. So for the parameters we have ADX average period is 24, ADX volume period is 23. We have so those are actually the parameters I've optimized, and I found profitable. So those are actually the parameters. I will attach an Excel file for the profitable parameters when I'm giving you the EA. So I'll be giving you the EA for free. Alright, so those are the parameters. So let's start our backtesting. Alright, so the backtesting is currently running. Alright, so the backtesting has ended, and we're able to bring from 5,000 our investment from 5,000 to 250,000 plus, and so that is actually we are able to bring it to above 250,000. So let's just go and check the graph, and so for the graph you can see it's actually making a smooth, then at the time it has a bad period and then continue winning again. So for the backtesting results you can see that's almost 70% winning rate. That's almost 70% winning rate. So this is actually a fairly good Forex robot, and I can make you profit. So I'm going to be giving you this Forex robot for free. To get this Forex robot, you just need to you need to send me a message. My email is in the description. Just send me a message that you need the robot, and then also I would I would also like to introduce you to XM in case you don't have a forex broker to use. So XM is actually offering over 70% deposit bonus, and then the good thing is you can also refer your friend and win $35. And more so, you don't need to worry about getting a VPS, because when you register with XM, they are providing you free Forex VPS services. This is a VPS services that cost almost $50 monthly, so they are actually providing you for free. So just register with XM, then send a screenshot of your registration, and then I will send it to my email or my WhatsApp, and then I will send the Forex robot to you. And then if you need any help on how to install the robot or how to install the VPS, I can also help you out with that. So this is a and also if you actually registered, if you're an experienced forex trader and you have a winning forex trading strategy, and once you register with XM through my link, and I can help you to convert your forex trading strategy into a winning forex trading robot for free. So just send me a screenshot to my email or on WhatsApp, and I help you to convert your forex trading strategy into a winning forex trading robot. Thank you.